one day people will be asking you, hindi kung saan lugar ka nakarating. They will ask you paano ka nakarating.
Yes.
You know, I've been with this business for the past 13 years. And so far, ang dami naming achievements na nagawa. Even becoming the overall top 1 worldwide.
Grabe.
But you know, until today, I'm still amazed. Every time na kinikwento namin yung mga result namin, maraming na-inspire. Pero alam niyo, pag kinikwento namin yung naging journey namin, maraming umiiyak.
Yes.
Tama. True.
And doon ko na-realize that it's not your cars, it's not your watches, even your bags or your money that's gonna touch lives of a lot of people. It is your journey. Yung paano ka naging matibay, paano mo in-enjoy, paano mo nilagpasan lahat ng lubak mo sa buhay, yun yung magiging sandata nila para malagpasan din nila yung sa kanila. At
Yes.
yung guide nila para makapunta rin
mentor.
sa success na gusto nila. Thank you guys. God bless you and everyone.
Thank you.